Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and back to a brand new reaction video. Today we're going to be reacting to a video that has gone viral, absolutely bonkers viral online. I actually saw a clip of this on TikTok first and I was like, oh my God, this lady is crazy. And then I was scrolling on YouTube and happened to come across the full video and I was like, I gotta watch it and I gotta react to it. So this video is of a woman from India who decided to go to Target and literally stayed at Target for over 7 hours while she was shoplifting. 7 hours. No exaggeration, no joke. 7 hours. What? Of course, she got caught. Here is the video. Let's react to it.
Please don't do this.
Don't resist. It's not going to go well for you.
She's been in the store about 7 hours or so. We just stopped her because
7 hours.
Did you go past the doors?
No, not once only. Okay.
Just once. Just once.
Okay.
I don't mind paying for the merchandise.
I'm working on a trade.
Too late, girl.
Are they back there still?
Too late.
No, they're right here. Okay. Are they in the office still? Yes. Okay.
7 freaking hours. My lord.
How much are we looking at?
More than 300.
Okay.
She ripped all the tags out.
300 only for 7 hours? Come on, girl.
Hi.
And she ripped all the tags.
So this is Anaya. This is the info she gave me.
Here's the thief. Here she is.
She does not have an ID on her. She's been in the store about 7 hours or so. She said she's waiting for someone to pick her up. She's visiting here.
Okay.
Hey guys. Hello. She said she doesn't live here. She's from India. She's with family. They're coming to pick her up still. A few times. So basically, she's been in the store. We've been watching for at least 4 hours. She's taken a ton of merchandise, different kinds. We're getting a total right now for you. It'll be well over 500, I'm sure.
No, it'll be more.
You're right.
Yeah.
Did she just say it's going to be more? Did she just tell her herself?
And then she kept getting really close.
That was way more than that.
She said her phone. About 3 times she did that. And then she came back in the store, kept shopping, and then eventually we just stopped her because she passed the first set of doors, went into the vestibule. We're stopped.
She's facing felony charges.
She said that she was still planning to pay for it.
Okay, what do you guys want done?
We're going to prosecute for retail theft and trespass.
Okay.
But let me just pay for it and not.
That's not happening. So you don't have any sort of Illinois ID, anything like that?
I'm not from this country.
Okay, well, there's a lot of people who aren't from this country.
The U.S. Embassy issued a warning.
Okay. Do you have a middle name?
No. I can only do is I don't mind paying for it, everything, and then leaving. But
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
pay for it.
The U.S. Embassy is telling her,
We're way past that.
You flew here.
your visa may be revoked.
Exactly, but the passport is not with me in this bag.
Do you have a picture of it?
Listen, I don't get into any trouble.
Yeah, we're
Way past that, girl. Way past that.
No, but then what am I supposed to do?
that's none of my business.
Go to jail.
You should have been stealing stuff.
I've not yet done anything.
Oh, you have. Pull up your passport.
For what? What do I do?
Okay, so you can pull up your passport now, or we're gonna take you back to the station and you can pull up your passport there.
But why?
I'm really.
I was just stealing. What's the big deal?
Promise me that nothing is going to happen.
I did not promise you anything.
Of course, you said that nothing. Once we do this thing, you can leave.
No, I said as soon as we're done with our reporting, we'll try to get you out of here as soon as we can.
Yeah, you said you
I did
just.
not.
You won't be allowed to.
We're not gonna fight with him.
We're not arguing.
We're not gonna fight with him. It's too late.
So what do you want me to do?
I need you to pull up your
Go to jail.
I need to see valid identification for you.
And then,
And then you will be going back to the station with us. I need to see your identification.
please don't take me to the
That's
station.
simply not going to happen. You don't get to have that choice anymore.
But one second.
You made lots of poor choices today, and now you have to pay for
But
those
he
poor
said
choices.
he's not going to put me in the station.
Well, that's not.
He's not a cop, sweetheart.
Who this man is.
I can show you my license here.
I was just stealing for 7 hours.
So who's Jamisha?
Me. And
So,
this is
so
my,
who's Anaya?
This is my name also.
She has 2 names.
Okay.
I'm really sorry.
I understand that you're sorry.
I'm not from this country. I'm not going to be staying here.
I normally only steal in India.
India?
No,
I didn't
that's what
think so.
said.
I
It
didn't
was-
think so.
Okay, the minute he came, the minute the door opened, he came. I returned back. I said I was just waiting. I've not gone.
I was just waiting. For what?
It's humanly impossible. I'm really sorry.
I understand that you're sorry.
What do I go to the police station and do?
Ma'am, you're going to be criminally charged.
You walk in the cell and you stay there.
I don't mind paying for the merchandise.
Okay, I'm done talking to you because you just keep repeating the same things over and over again, and I keep telling you
For
that that's
real?
not an option. We can't do that. So I'm not going to be acknowledging that anymore because I've already determined that we're not doing that.
So, let me explain this,
So
okay?
this is at
When
7-Eleven.
you had this stuff, did you go past the double doors? So,
No, not once only. Not even completely.
Only once. Only once.
I just need you all to help me. First of all, not from this country. If I'm not carrying money or something, it's a different thing. I have money to pay also.
I didn't know in America you couldn't steal. I didn't know.
I'm sorry that you're from a different country, but like you said, you're not allowed to steal in India either. Most places do not really appreciate thieves.
Of course,
That part.
if you walk out and if I walked out and I ran away, yet I'm just coming, he came running, I was like, what's happening? I was on a call, where are these people? I don't mind paying for it. You can see the video, I don't mind
What's happening?
finishing it off. I need to take these articles as gifting. I promise.
Nope, just kidding.
Uh-oh. Here's the full price.
I told you what's going to happen. Stand up. Okay. Nothing on
I
you?
think so.
Nothing on you? No guns, no knives, nothing like that?
How? Nothing.
Step up.
Jamisha, just face me. Don't move, just stay where you're at.
She has a personal luggage too.
Yeah, it's an empty bag.
A personal luggage that she brought with her. An empty luggage. Gee, I wonder why.
Into the
Oh,
store.
that's an empty luggage.
Hand me back, please.
Hey, please don't
Stop.
do this.
Don't resist.
Please.
It's not going to go well for you.
But why?
Just we explained it.
I was just stealing. What's the problem?
When you take things without permission, that's a crime.
But
Okay.
what do I do now? For how long is it going to be?
Hang on.
Huh?
Okay, just hang on. Okay, it's probably going to be 1, maybe 2 hours. Okay, it depends on how quick the paper process works.
Please, I'm requesting you.
Big question.
CCOM from Wagner. These are 51101.
But my bag?
Your bag will come with.
Welcome to America. When you steal, you get in trouble.
Okay.
Do you have the trespass or no?
I have it all.
What do I tell the family?
I don't know what to tell you.
From here.
Yeah. Do not resist. You're going to catch an extra charge. Don't.
What do I tell my family? I don't know. You're a thief.
041.
The fact that she brought a bag with her, an empty bag right there. I mean, Exhibit A. Thief.
Please, ma'am.
I understand that it's embarrassing. I wouldn't steal either.
Who brings an empty luggage with them to Target?
You'll need to call somebody later when we're done with all the paperwork.
But what do those people do to me? Like, what do you want me to do? I need to go back home.
Well, you should have thought about that.
Well,
Girl,
but I don't know.
shut
If you
up.
keep me forever or something,
No, we're not going to keep you forever.
please, I have a daughter who's 20.
You're gonna keep me forever.
Be a better role model, right?
Yeah, but then please help
Well.
me.
I'm not going to help you. Why would I help you?
Yo, this cop, I love this freaking cop. She is no nonsense.
Keeping what?
This cup, who's going to run away?
I'm not gonna help you.
The best thing was to pay and finish it.
The best thing to do would be not to steal in the first place.
That part.
That would be the best thing to do.
Of course, if I could have run away, it was a different thing. The minute the guy came back, I turned. He was like, target security. I said, what happened? He's like, you've not paid. I said, I don't mind paying for the items.
After you stole them.
Then
Because I was on call with them. They said
you're going to walk past the last point of all the cash registers with the security things.
No, if the security bars were there, okay, I know that if I pass that, it's going to beep.
It only beeps if you have certain items.
See,
And she took off the tags. She took off the tags.
Tell me, with this heavy luggage, I could have taken the things and put it in my bag also, the main bag.
You passed all of the points of
Not
you
all
could
of
pay.
the points,
Yes, you
ma'am.
did.
The
Yes, you
first
did.
half point.
No. You passed all of the cash registers.
No,
left-
cash registers were different, and this side
Right.
was there.
So I'm trying to explain.
So
I'm trying to explain
yeah.
something to you. So what we call the last point of final sale, right? If you take the cart full of the stuff, okay, and which is you had $1,300 worth of stuff.
1,300.
All of the places that you could have
Yeah.
paid for it.
Yes.
And then you start to leave. We have a problem.
I know. I understand. I don't mind paying for it right now. I'm going to have to do the procedure now, get Target stuff again online and ask somebody to do it. It was the simplest thing for him to tell me that next time don't come to the store, and tell him that
What?
listen, pay for this and then leave.
She is a nut job. The fact that the Indian embassy, that this went so viral that the Indian embassy had to get involved and say, hey guys, just FYI, if you get caught stealing or committing a burglary, your visa may be taken away. and you may be placed in an American prison and you won't get out. Like, that's how big this story has gotten. Wow. Talk about entitlement. This was both funny, outrageous, and sad all at the same time. All at the same time. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this video. How crazy was this woman? And who stays in a store for 7 hours? That is a full workday, ma'am. You did a full workday. She probably worked longer than most of the actual workers at Target who work part-time. Like, she was there from 8 to like 3:30. That's crazy. That's commitment. Now, if you just focus that commitment on something positive, you could do some good things. Just saying. If you enjoy my content, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit my notification bell so you know when I post a brand new video. Until next time.